Hello folks, my name is Amulya and you are watching Tube Mint. That's my channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Shopify locally on your system. So irrespective of your operating system, the process is going to be almost the same as long as you are familiar with how to run command line, how to download and install software on your operating system. It's very simple and straightforward. I will also go ahead and once everything is installed, I won't go like install everything one by one. I already have. I will just show you how you can install it. So once I'm done through the process of installing these requirements in Shopify CLI, I will quickly go ahead and connect my local CLI setup to my online dev store and will show you how you can learn the commands. It could be for themes, Shopify themes app, or Hydrogen uh, development or customization. Okay, so let's get started. So here see I've got this Windows 10 operating system and there are a few requirements, prerequisites for Shopify CLI to be run on your operating system to generate a theme, to run a server, to generate a Shopify app or Hydrogen application. So the prerequisites are basically Node.js and Git. And if you're going to build or customize a Shopify theme, you also need to have Ruby installed on the system. Okay. So let me quickly go ahead and show you on my command line what do I already have. So I have Node 20.16.0, which is almost latest. It was just released 3 months back. And when you install Node, you get the npm, so which is basically a package manager that is available with Node when you install it. And I also gone ahead and installed Yarn, which is basically a bit faster than npm. So it's the same thing. You should have just one of these installed, and you already have one if you have installed Node.js. And I already have Ruby installed, so that you can see I got everything that I need, and I also have Git installed. So make sure these are already available on the system. If you are a developer, in most cases you've got Node and Git. Maybe you do not have Ruby, so go ahead and install it. And Ruby, because the liquid programming language that is required to uh, basically customize or create a theme or any application uh, for Shopify architecture or e-commerce stores. You do sort of programming or server programming with liquid that is basically powered and highly influenced with Ruby syntax and Ruby language itself. So here we go. Now we have the prerequisites on our system. If you haven't, you can go to nodejs.org and download the uh, Node.js for your operating system. You can click the download button for your operating system. You can also use the command line tools to install your system. Depending on your operating system, you can follow the instruction here. Okay, so that's how you install Node. And to install git.acm, sorry, Git on your operating system, you can use git-acm.com/download, and this detects your operating system. So you just click this download for Windows, Mac, or Linux, whatever you have. And you can also use this these buttons, and this will basically guide you how you can install on your Linux distros. To have one, uh, the process is almost going to be the similar if you are on Mac. Okay? So you got brew install git, and that's very straightforward. So I assume that you already have a Ruby Ruby for Windows, you can go to rubyinstaller.org/downloads and hit this one, depending on your architecture type, system architecture. 64-bit, 32-bit, always adaptive for developers. Not this is just standalone Ruby. You don't get the compiler, basically C native compilers. So uh, I assume you already have these installed. If you are on Mac or Linux, you can go ahead and run sudo apt on Linux app systems distros. That would be sudo apt install Ruby. Uh, Probably it's going to be brew install Ruby on Mac. Okay, so and that's how you can get your prerequisites installed and running, and then you can go ahead and check. Yeah, like Node version, Ruby version, Git version, and that's all you need. And once you have these installed, to install Shopify locally on your system, you can basically, you see it says to install Ruby. So I was right. Sudo apt update, then Ruby full instead of just Ruby, but that should work. Now to install Shopify CLI, you can use npm yarn pnpm homebrew as well. Just copy this npm install. G means global Shopify /CLI, and that is going to be enough. It's by default going to install the latest, but you can simply say at latest. And this is how you can install Shopify CLI. So I'll go ahead and install Shopify CLI. That will basically let you connect to your Shopify store, dev store, and then you can work on different stores for your clients. Basically manage apps, themes, hydrogen applications. So we already have Shopify CLI. I can go ahead and say Shopify version, and you can see I just typed something. So I will have to. So I got 3.65 something 3.66.1. So that's Shopify on the system. I can go ahead and clear the screen and show you what you get from Shopify CLI. So to learn more about Shopify CLI, you simply type Shopify help or simply H, and this should give you all the commands that you can basically run and learn more about Shopify. So you got ads, auth, config, okay, hydrogen and theme. So these could be of your interest. App, hydrogen, these are basically command. These are all the commands. So help, search, upgrade the version. So we already have ran this help and version. I'll go ahead and create it. I can simply say commands, right? And this is going to list all the commands that Shopify CLI offers for your specific requirements. Okay, so for themes, this is what we have. For apps, we have just hydrogen. We, we have everything for hydrogen. If you are sure what you have to do, you can be a little bit specific. So you got the commands and summaries. You can go ahead and read everything here. Okay. So you'll get some sort of similar wordings that is going to be across three segments. It could be app, hydrogen, and themes. So dev, init, info. This is going to be almost the same. You just uh, this is basically trigger for app or theme or hydrogen. So go ahead and clear the screen. You can also say Shopify app. And this is going to list all the commands for app development. So this is going to be more specific if you're getting started, and we are a team directly. So I'm going to show you how you can get started with theme. So validates the theme check console, liquid reference, delete tab. So this runs the server, upload current theme and into the connected store. So there's nothing that lets very much tells you how you can connect to your store. What you do to connect to your store, you just run the server for your specific software type. So it could be Shopify theme, and this is how you run the server. So make sure you are in your theme directory, app directory, or hydrogen app directory, and then you can run the server. But this runs like globally anywhere once you have Shopify installed, CLI installed. So this should give you a prompt to press a key and to open the login page. So once I'm going to be connected after entering my dev store credentials, so this is going to be, sorry guys, one auth process. So it should send some 4574090. That's for my assist dev store, and once I'm logged in, you should just say you can close the page. uh, what is that? Check in your code. I already have 4574009, and then you log in, confirm and log in. So this code matches here. If you see somewhere like this, logged in, it says logged in. Now should run this server, but we don't have any Shopify theme generated yet. So to generate a theme, basically this is the first step. Okay, I don't want to get lost here, so you simply go ahead and first connect to your Shopify dev store. So you must have a dev store, so go ahead and create a dev store first, and then log into your dev store with this command, and then go to wherever you want to create a theme. So I'm going to create a theme on my desktop, and what I'm going to say is this: Shopify theme. If you learn more about how you can basically generate a theme, run the server, and push the theme to your store, connected store. So these are commands. Theme init will basically generate a theme repo that is going to be cloned from Git repository, and then also you can run these commands. List will list all the themes available on from the connected store. Open the preview of your remote theme. It basically package. This is another latest, I think, new command that basically converts your theme folder into a zip folder file. Publish will basically publish your theme. If you are happy with everything, you can publish a theme from your CLI onto your store. Pull, so any changes that you may have done yourself on your store and you want to pull those changes locally on your system, you can go ahead and run this command. Or similarly, vice versa, you can make changes here locally and push to the store theme that's connected to your CLI. So we already have connected the store. And then let's say you have, uh, let's see what we have. So I usually say Shopify theme list. Let's see what we get here. So these are themes. You can see one is live, and this is the name of the theme that we have. on our store. Now I can generate a theme. So I can create a folder, make DIRSH themes. I can simply start Shopify theme in it. And this is how I can generate a simple DOM based theme skeleton for your store. So this is asking for theme name. So it will say M whatever M Lama whatever you want. M Lama. Okay, M Lama is a theme name. I just pressed enter, and this is going to basically clone a theme from Git repo, which is for get the latest release of DOM into your local theme folder. And once that is generated, you can go ahead and customize it, test it, preview it, push it to the store, and once you are happy, you can publish it. So, depending on the internet speed, this will take shorter or I don't know, longer time. So here we go. We have already generated this theme. I could go ahead and open this in Sublime Text, and once you have this up in your preferred text editor, you can go ahead and run your command from here as well. So dev to start the server. It used to be theme serve. Now they say dev. Theme serve was almost inspired by Ruby on Rails commands, and this is more like Shopify sort of. I don't know. I haven't used much of CLIs. I just used Ruby on Rails, Node.js, a few PHP frameworks, CLI, WordPress, CLI, a bit of um, Drupal. I don't know. This is Drupal. Shopify. So it has own commands, and they changed in the latest release of the Shopify CLI. So I can go ahead and run the here because sometimes it runs a bit faster than this one. Okay, and then we can launch. It should launch from the preview page. Okay, let's see what this mistake. Thank you guys. You can see this runs the server and also gives you three options. So you can just press one, or you can manually go to localhost colon 9292. Syncing theme on the store. So this theme is going to be synced with the data from the store. Okay. So of the store. So basically you will be able to preview all the data that you have uploaded to your store locally on the theme in your local host server on port 9292. So you just need to go ahead and launch launch browser. Localhost 9292. Here we go. And it's not yet up here. So let's see. Preview theme, it is actually you can do by pressing 1, which I did. It looks like it could be my system is running out of resources. So I do have to type manually. It's a good idea to go by number instead. Yeah, that is another process. You are involving DNS to convert that to number. So better to like manually. I'm not sure. Server is not running. It's trying to do some things. So it takes time while syncing the okay. Synced, updating the files. There are a lot of things here you can see. This is how you can get started with Shopify locally on your system using Shopify CLI on your operating system. Okay, this process is very straightforward and saves time, and you can work on multiple stores from your local system. That is basically the beauty of this CLI. Or also, it makes getting started with Shopify app development, theme development, or hydrogen theme development straightforward, streamlined, basically simple and easy for beginners. So you don't have to do things manually. That is the CLI. So once everything is synced, we should be able to sort out. So, okay, so I'll go ahead and keep all these links in the description for you guys, and let's see how it goes. So try and connect. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's go ahead and check if the server is responding. So you can see this is a local host column 90 to 92, and this has synced all the data from my dev store, active theme or live theme, even the menu and other contents like pages, posts, articles, etc. etc. And because the live theme is also same Dawn theme, so all the customization should work on my system, on my local Shopify dev environment. So this is how you can get started with Shopify locally on your system using Shopify CLI. Thank you for watching, and bye.